Good day, everyone. We got another box from Amazon. I like it when we get stuff like this, especially when I'm not the one that ordered it, because I get to play and find out what we got. Now, what I've been told is because we are going to be doing some camping, we're looking at going RVing in the very near future. We're planning on getting ready for that right now. So I have been told by Shelly that she's purchased some towels to check them out. These are microfiber towels by Bogey. Never heard of the company, but we're about to find out what they're like. So first of all, let's open up and see what we got in here. I have my special Amazon knife. So, what we have apparently is a few different sets of towels. We got these. There's a large and a small towel in each package, and there's 4 packages. Now the price on Amazon right now is $21.99 Canadian per package. So that's one extra large 72 by 32 inch and one, I guess it's a medium, 16 by 16. There's 4 of these. So we're going to take a look at what we have here. First of all, God help me, pink. Hot pink, no less. Okay, so this is actually one large and one small towel, which is the reason why we want to try these. Because they're great for the gym, they're great for RVing. We can use them real easy, take them across to a shower if there's a color in here that I will walk across a compound with. But they're very lightweight, and apparently they dry very fast. So I'm going to put this off to the side. That's one package. Now we have another one, purple. Shelly hates me. I know it. So this one here is also another large and a medium towel in purple. And let's see what else we got here. We have orange. I have done something wrong and I have no idea what it is. But we have orange. And last but not least, I must have done something that had a redeeming quality in it, because gray. I could walk across the field to a shower with gray. I could live with that. The locker room at the gym, yeah, I could deal with that, no problem. Pink, no. Anyways, I've got these out now, so let's take a look at what I've got here. I've got all 4 of them. Now these, again, are on, right now, $21.99 Canadian. So there's 4 sets here. That's a little bit of a pricey thing there when you think about it, but when you consider towels are pretty darn expensive, this might not be so bad. Plus, when Shelly purchased them, there was something called a lightning deal, and we got $21.90 off of all 4 of them. So that means that the total was $66.06 Canadian for 4 large and 4 small towels. That's not too bad. So let's open up one and see what it looks like. And I'm going to open up the gray one. So it comes in a little bag. That's pretty cool. You could take this across the compound. You can take it into the gym. You got a little clip on there. You can put it on your gym bag or something. It's just a little mesh bag. It's not that great, but it's not bad. So let's open up this and see what we got in here. Now again, remember, if a large towel, 72 by 32, was to be sitting beside this, you would see a huge difference in the size. So it's just going to be a matter of what the quality is like. So when I open this up, it looked okay. Well, there's the little guy. That's 16 by 16. It's got a little strap on it so you can hang it up and let it dry. Now microfiber does dry pretty quick, which is another reason why we wanted to try these, because if we take these to the shower, at a campsite or in the gym, we want something that's going to dry pretty quick. So let's just see how this looks here. We're going to open this up, and okay, this is pretty big. And another loop so that we can hang it up afterwards. Wow, okay, this is huge. This is actually really big. I mean, no matter how you bundle it up, it's very small. It's a huge towel, but it's very small and compact for taking it around. So if we were to go someplace and we didn't want a lot of extra weight or an awful lot of extra bulk, if you think about it, I showed you 4 very large towels, 4 very small towels. That's not an awful lot of room to take up. If I was to bring the same thing out from our normal shower towels, you know, those nice terry cloth towels, you know, you bring those out here, I'm pretty sure that one of them is going to take up more room than 4 large and 4 small. So, looks like it's pretty good. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this, I'm going to have a shower with it. My next shower is going to be with one of these. I'm going to use the gray one, not the hot pink. And I'm going to see how well it dries me off. First of all, I want to find out if it does a good job of drying me off. And I want to see if it dries pretty quick afterwards. So I'll see you after my shower. But before I go for my shower, I'm going to show you one quick thing here. This is what I wanted to show you. This is a normal shower towel. It's not a bath sheet. It's just a shower towel. It's a large, not an extra large. If you take a look at it, this is twice as thick. It's longer. It's wider. It's folded up as compact as I can possibly fold it up. And you can see the difference. This is the reason why Shelly wanted to try these. When you're in an RV, or if you're going to the gym, anything like that, you want to be as compact as you possibly can. So this is going to be compared to this. This does a pretty good job of drying me. I'm going to check and see what this does. This dries, okay, it dries me. It takes a long time to dry afterwards. This is supposed to be pretty quick. Let's see what happens. I'm going to go get my rubber ducky, and I'm off to the shower. So everyone in the house has had a chance to try these towels out. They've had a shower, they've dried off with them, and they've left them to dry on their own without putting them into a dryer. They dry very quickly. I'm quite impressed with them. Because we're looking at these for RVing, they take up so much less space. They do a fantastic job, and they dry so quickly. This is exactly what we're looking for. If it's what you're looking for, like I said before, I've never heard the name, didn't even know it existed, but it's called Bogi, B-O-G-I. Very simple. 100% microfiber towels. They're huge. They also come with a small towel, and they dry very quickly. These things are going to be great for us while we're looking at conserving space in an RV. Everyone loved them. I hope you do too. There's going to be a link to take a look at these if you want. Have a look at them on Amazon. That's where we got them. And I hope you enjoy them. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. We'll talk soon.